No, I said I sent the report last night. Check your mail properly, please, Miniso. I don't repeat myself. Did we have light? For a while. How long is a while? Maybe 20 minutes. This country will frustrate somebody to death. Did you sleep at all? I slept. You call this sleeping? You'll spoil your eyes one day. Did you eat? I will. And you always say that. I'm trying to finish this before noon. For who? Client. Paying client, or I'll pay you later client. Kamsi, passion is good. But passion does not pay bills. I know.
She knew. She always knew. But knowing something and having the power to change it are two very different things.
I'll send money for fuel. Thank you.
Kamsi!
Sis Adaeze, you're back early. Forget early, today was madness. But see what I got? Limited edition. I saw it and I myself, Adaeze, you deserve good things. They're beautiful. One day you'll buy me something like this. Not one day soon. Wait, your own is here. It's nice. Use it and sew something crazy. Post it. Let people see your work. So you can start contributing to this house too. I'm trying. Try harder.
Adaeze gave, and gave, and gave. But sometimes giving becomes a language of control. And sometimes receiving becomes a quiet kind of shame.